because it's only 24 hours in a day. And if you basing your pay on an hourly salary or an hourly wage, you've already capped yourself at 24. And then you damn sure ain't finna work 24 hours in one day.
Blessings and love, kings and queens. Blessings and love. Praying that this message is reaching you in the best of health while I'm sending you my blessings and love. Because somebody woke up dead today, and it most definitely was not you. It was not you.
Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. It's still hard to realize you had to leave this place. For us to one day reunite, be my saving grace. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes it's hard to keep.
I'm on a mission to do whatever it takes to live the life of my dreams. And I want to help other people live the life of their dreams as well. So click the subscribe button and grow with me as I document my dream saving journey.
Blessings and love, dreamers, blessings and love. Welcome to the Growing with Dirt channel. I am Antoine Dirt, the Dream Saver Johnson, the world's #1 dream saver, here to help you get the faith, discipline, and structure you need to build the life of your dreams. Today, I just want to talk to y'all about finances. Finances, finances, finances. And what about those finances? That's how you're going to get to the life of your dreams. Because I'm pretty sure everybody's dream life consists of a whole bunch of money, being able to do whatever you want to do when you want to do it. But if you don't know about money, if you don't know how to manage money, if you don't know how to make your money work for you, how is that ever going to happen? It's just a pipe dream. It's just one of those dreams that you're going to have forever. So my advice to you and what I want to talk about a little bit is understanding and learning how to get money to work for you. You got to start small first and foremost. We're not going to make $1 million in a day until we making $1 million in a day. Think about that. You only know what you know. You are who you are. Like, and I was who I was. So I've always had visions. I've always had the mindset, or I didn't have the mindset, I should say. I always had the vision and the faith and the determination to become a millionaire. But I was living paycheck to paycheck. I had an employee mindset. I only knew how to work a job. That's all I knew. And I tried different ventures. I tried like Mary Kay. I tried Prepaid Legal. I tried Amway. I tried Herbalife. I tried the multi-level marketing things, but what I didn't understand and what I didn't get at the time is I still had an employee mindset. I didn't have an ownership mindset. I wasn't ready to take ownership over my life. Yeah. My mother had to go for a little while. I didn't. You want to sit in my lap too? I didn't know how to take ownership over my life. So with that employee mindset, unfortunately, I was forever an employee. Like my thing was, how do I get a higher paying hourly salary? Yes, Lily. Mommy had to go make an errand. So I always was like, I just need to get more money per hour. Now I understand that to ever be a millionaire, you got to make money when you ain't working. Because it's only 24 hours in a day. And if you basing your pay on an hourly salary or an hourly wage, you've already capped yourself at 24. And then you damn sure ain't finna work 24 hours in one day. So now that I understand that, I'm looking for different ways to leverage my time and leverage my income by getting my money to work for me. Doing things such as I wrote that book, 4 Years to Life, right there. And now that I spent the time writing the book, I can sell the book and market the book and make sales from the book in my sleep. Or I don't even have to put any more time to create that book anymore. That book will be forever created. So now it can forever earn income. And I'm thinking of and learning other ways to get my money to work for me, as far as like little investments and starting other things. Like, I built a course, I have curriculum. It's things that now I'm learning to say, like, I need these things to be working when I'm not working. I need these things to be generating income when I'm not generating income. A lot of people go through real estate and things like that, which I will eventually get to. I want to start other businesses and other companies, but I have to start small to be able to know that, like, okay, when I make money from these, now I can put it to the side to put into that and just keep growing. But a lot of us try to hit that home run right out the park. That's why so many people playing a lotto, because they just want to get rich quick scheme. And sometimes things are sold to you as a get rich quick scheme, knowing that, okay, once I get you in, you gonna fall off. I got your money already. So I don't want my programs or my courses or my curriculums to be anything like that. I wanted to be like, no, you got to change your mindset first, and it's going to take work. We're going to start small. It might just be making an extra $50 a week. But if you're making that $50 from something that you didn't have to give labor to, if you're creating a product or a service or, you know, some type of thing that you're generating income with you physically not being there, then we can learn how, okay, what's working with that and duplicate that and grow from that. So that's what it's going to take for all of us to become millionaires, for all of us to become financially free, because it's really just about time. You got to use your money to buy your time back. That's what I learned as well. So that's what my mission is, and that's what the lesson is for the day. Finances, finances, finances. So you got to read these books about money, understand your relationship with money. Why do you think about, when you think about money, what do you think about? Do you have a poverty mentality? Do you have a lack mentality? Or do you have a mind of abundance? Do you have an ownership mindset? Like, you really have to ask yourself these questions. Like, what was you taught growing up? Like, money is the root of all evil type things, or you know, all those money sayings. Like, if you subconsciously had them in your mind, and if one thing I want to tell you too, and this is, I'm gonna leave out after this one. If you have a hate or envy or a jealousy towards wealthy people, you will never become one, because your subconscious is telling you you never want to be that. I love wealthy people. I'm studying them for real, for real. I don't want my children to ever have to want for nothing. Like, a lot of people have so much hate and envy towards the wealthy that they don't understand that they're training themselves to never become that. But then they wonder why they broke, wonder why they going through struggle, wonder why they don't have nothing. It's because you hate on the people who do got it instead of learning from them. Real talk. So you got to understand where your money relationship is. What do you think about when you think about a lot of money? Because a lot of people be like, oh, I don't need a lot of money. I mean, maybe you don't. I do. I need all of it, so I can leave it to these, and they can leave it to theirs. So yeah, I got that mindset of abundance because I deserve it. Abundance is my birthright. And hopefully you one day realize that it's yours as well. We all deserve it, and we all capable of achieving it. But we have to check ourselves and understand where our mindset at, what our relationship is with abundance, and how do we fix it if it ain't right. You may need to get help. You may need to get coaching. You may need to get a mentor. Like, I've always had a mindset of abundance. I just didn't know about how about going to go get it. I was trapped around a circle of paycheck to paycheck living people. I was trapped around, all I seen was my daddy and my mama go to work every day. Like, they didn't know how to get to this life that I'm speaking of. So I had to go outside of my circle. I had to go outside of my environment to get that education, to get that knowledge. And you might have to do the same thing if you want it, if you desire it. It's up to you to go get it. It ain't gonna fall in your lap. Because I'm gonna tell you this. If you don't have a money mindset, if you don't have an ownership mindset, if you don't have a good relationship with money, if you don't know how to budget and finance, I can give you $5 million right now. You're going to be right back in the same predicament that you're in until you learn about finances, budgeting, and your relationship with money. Hopefully y'all picking up what I'm putting down. But I love y'all all day, every day, and every time zone. Out.
Blessings and love, kings and queens. Blessings and love. Praying that this message is reaching you in the best of health while I'm sending you my blessings and love. Because somebody woke up dead today, and it most definitely was not you. It was not you.
Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. It's still hard to realize you had to leave this place. For us to one day reunite, be my saving grace. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes it's hard to keep.
I'm on a mission to do whatever it takes to live the life of my dreams. And I want to help other people live the life of their dreams as well. So click the subscribe button and grow with me as I document my dream saving journey.